Welcome back. Today we'll be balancing some chemical equations. I want to believe you know what a chemical equation is, and a chemical equation is not complete until it is well balanced, meaning the number of atoms at the right hand side, that is the product, should equate the number of atoms at the left hand side, which are the reactants. Now, without going or wasting any more time, we're going to balance some equations. So this is a reaction of hydrogen and oxygen gas to give us water. We have 2 atoms of hydrogen at the reactant side, 2 atoms of oxygen at the reactant side. Let's look at the product side. Yes, we have 2 atoms of hydrogen at this product side and 1 atom of oxygen. So oxygen is not balanced, right? So what do? We try to balance oxygen up. Since we have 2 here, what do we multiply with 1 to give us 2? It's 2. So what do? We add 2 to the water. So let's see, is it balanced now? We have 2 oxygen at the product side now, but hydrogen has become 4. Note this 2, this coefficient of water, is for all the atoms in that particular water. Yes. So any coefficient in front of any compound at all is for all the atoms present in that compound. So now, what do? This is definitely not balanced because we have 4 hydrogen at the product side. So the 2 hydrogen at the reactant side, all we do is multiply it by 2 to make it 4. So let's see, is it balanced now? Yes, it is balanced. So the number of atoms at the right equal to the number of atoms at the left. Yeah. So this is our balanced equation. Something is missing, the states of these compounds. Now let's impute their states. So we have hydrogen gas, oxygen gas, and liquid water. So these are the states of each of them. Watched up to this point, kindly subscribe to this channel, give a thumbs up, and you can on your notification bell for more videos. This is an assignment for you. Balance the above equation, write the states of matter, and drop in the comment section. Thanks for watching.